Hi, my name is Trent Bowman, and I'm a Senior Solutions Engineer with Trellix. Today we're going to talk about how you can very easily configure cloud data sources to be ingested into Helix. When you first log into Helix, you'll be presented with the summary dashboard. In order to get our cloud data sources ingested into Helix, we're going to go over to our Cloud Connect portal. In order to do that, you'll go to the top left pancake menu, you can see right there. We'll go ahead and click that, and you're presented with several different options. Where we want to click on is called Cloud Connect at the very bottom of the Configure menu. You'll go ahead and click that, and it'll take us to our Cloud Connect portal. Once we're on the Cloud Connect portal, as you can see here, it brings us to our Established Connections page. This is where you can see the different cloud connectors that currently have a connection into Helix. This is really nice for a quick reference to see if those connections are working properly. On this left column, you can sort by name. You can also sort by vendor in the second column. We also provide nice things like sensor IDs, Helix IDs, the status of that connection. Is that connection receiving data? Is it working as it should be? When was this connection created? When was the last event that we got through that connection? Things like that. So very useful information once you have those established cloud connections. When you want to establish a brand new cloud connection, we're going to go up to the top right here. There's a blue button, Add Cloud Connection. Pretty straightforward. If we go ahead and click that, it takes us to the Add Connection page. This is where you can see that we have 121 available at the time of recording this video. That number will continue to increase as we create new connections with third-party cloud providers. If you want to search connections, you can do so from this search bar right at the top. Maybe you want to search for a vendor within your security environment and see if there's a connector already established for it. You can do so right there. The other nice feature we have on this page is the categories. Maybe you're looking for a cloud storage provider, endpoint security provider, network security provider, seeing what we have established as far as connections that you can bring into Helix. Very nice and easy to jump around on this page with. For this example, let's go ahead and click into cloud storage. You can see we have several different options for cloud storage. In this case, let's go ahead and look at AWS S3. Maybe we want to bring some data from our S3 bucket over to Helix for correlation with our other solutions. You can see there's a blue arrow on the right side here, and three options pop up when we click that. Install, view install steps, and you can even print the installation steps as well. In this case, we're going to go ahead and hit install. Now that we've done that, you can see we provide integration instructions specific to that vendor. In this case, you're looking for the correct S3 bucket, the correct Helix instance. You're linking those up. It walks you through step by step. As we scroll down here, this is where you input the various things that are required. We're talking about AWS region name, AWS bucket to monitor, different things like that. Once you're done inputting, at the very bottom of the screen, the Submit and Verify button will become blue. You click that, and the connection is established. Finally, we'll come back to our Established Connection page, which we showed you when we first got to Cloud Connect portal. We're going to sort by vendor name. You can see that here, AWS S3. And then we're going to make sure that this established integration is working as intended. So if we click on this white down arrow right here, you can see integration details. Things such as last event, last poll, the different various info that you inputted when we established that connection. Here's our bucket, for instance, and that's the bucket that we're polling from. You can see it right there. You can do things like audit events, view the logs that we're having come over from that established connection. You can disable that connection. You can remove that connection, and so on and so forth. So that concludes our demonstration of the Cloud Connectors portal within Helix. Check back for more product smart tips from Trellix.